Hey there, this is Lewis. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to connect the Secure Gateways app template to our data sources. Before you start the installation process, please ensure that you have a Power BI Pro or Premium license and the role of Power BI Administrator for your tenant. You must also have the installation link and the SAS token at hand. If you're ready, let's go ahead. First, log into Microsoft Fabric with the account you want the app installed. Then click on the installation link and wait for the installation to complete. It should take from 30 seconds to 1 minute. When your Secure Gateways app has been installed, click the Go to App button or click on the app name. Secure Gateways will load the summary page, but the app is not yet connected to the underlying data sources. On top of the screen, you will notice a yellow banner informing you that you're viewing this app with sample data. Click on Connect Your Data. A pop-up will start the installation process. Under Parameters, you will see a series of drop-down windows. Click on each one of them and select the only available value. There are 3 of them: App ID, Package Key, and Owner ID. If you don't see them all, scroll down. Click the Next button at the bottom of the window. Now copy the SAS token value and paste it into the SAS token field. The privacy level setting for this data source is public, so don't change this value. Hit the Sign In and Connect button. Allow a few seconds for the connection to occur. Your app is ready to go when the yellow banner disappears. Your final step as an administrator is to provide users in your organization access to the app. Follow the Microsoft guidelines and the instructions below to share your app with your tenant and manage updates. That was easy, right? I hope you enjoy your Secure Gateways app. At the end of the page, remember to watch the additional videos on Microsoft networking. Thanks for watching.